Hello guys and welcome back to Herring's Rest. Today I'm going to show you what I've got done in my river area, which is just down here. As you can see, I've just finished this with the static grass. I've still to hoover it. The static grass on either side in 4 different colours, 3 or 4 different lengths. There's a little mud path runs down here. Alright, and on the other side there isn't one. Now the riverbed itself is made up with garden soil at my garden, some stones and some bits of wood and stuff. So that's still to be hoovered out and all cleaned up. I'll get that done in a minute or 5. But that's the progress so far on that. There will be bushes, tufts of grass, etc. to go on this just to break up the height difference and stuff. But I think it's looking quite good. It's getting there slowly, but it is getting there. As you can see, that's the riverbed all hoovered out now. You can see there is still little bits of grass in there, but that will no matter once the resin's on. You'll not notice it. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit. See, there's little bits up there, but we'll get all that out. That bit there where the bandage is showing, I'll put a bush on that and that'll cover that. Alright guys. Right troops, once again I've been on Temu and I've bought some more trees. I think these cost about 5 or 6 quid. And they come in different sizes and different quantities. And they go from this size, tiny little thing, up to this size. And I'm going to put these on the layout as just dot them around different areas, stuff like that. And that should make it look a bit better. I won't glue them in just now because I'll need to take them out to put the fencing round from there to there. None of these trees are glued in. These will all come out when I'm going to do the fencing, which I'm hoping to get very shortly. Right trips. Also got this from Temu, which was about 3 quid I think. I put up on my wall. I think it looks quite good. Also got this from Temu. Now this is heat shrink, and it comes in various different sizes. Now there's either 300 or 500 different bits in this. I can't remember what, but they range in different sizes. I'll show you if I can get it open. We'll go from these tiny little black ones. All the way up to these great big red ones. I can't see we have much use for the red ones on the railway, you know, but the rest of them I think will do a turn. So for what was it? I think it was £5.50 or less that I paid for this, plus you get a little box that it comes in. So that's quite good. These are different sizes and stuff. So that'll do for doing repairs on locos and stuff like that. That'll come in really handy. That's another shot of the river area just underneath the bridge. So once it's all finished off, it'll look quite good once the resin's in and the bushes and the rocks on the sides. I'm quite looking forward to getting this bit done. It should be quite good fun. Right troops, one thing I forgot to mention the other week when I was doing this review of this Hellion Class 15 was when I went to put the KD coupling on this, it actually sat too high, so I had to put a magnetic one on. As you can see, it's still sitting at an angle, but it's pulling the train okay. So what I've decided that this locomotive will now only pull these coal wagons. So yeah, it was a bit disappointing, but apart from that, it was fine. Well troops, I think that's about it for the Temu trees on this layout. Once my wife gets round to making some trees, I'll put them in here. Finish this area off. I think these trees look quite good, considering how cheap they are. When you compare them to what you'd pay in a British model shop for them. There's also a few more being added here. Not very many, but there's been a few. Right troops, I'll leave you a couple of running shots. I'm off to Model Rail Scotland tomorrow. See what's there, see the layouts. Find out what's coming new to the market. And I will be back maybe next week with another layout update or locomotive update or whatever. So remember, if you like this kind of rubbish, please like, share, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Maybe your sanity, but apart from that,